and read the document to try to interpret it, but I asked for a straightforward paragraph to just tell me what we were asking. And Mr. Hammer came back with a one-sentence synopsis, and then I asked, well, would Mr. Haas opine that your analysis, your synopsis is accurate? And then the next email I got was, based on a meeting that you all had, the mayor had instructed that all inquiries for information on the CRC were to go through the acting executive director. So now I turn to the most capable and long-suffering acting director, executive director of the CRC, and make my request that could you please ask Mr. Higgins and Mr. Haas two things. Would Mr. Haas agree with the synopsis that Mr. Hammer made of his memorandum? And secondly, could we get to the heart of an opinion between the attorney and the CPA for how we had a $1.2 million error with tax increment? Thank you very much, sir.